I vår bransje det skyhøye krav til kvalitet og dokumentasjon I alle prosesser.
Because at the end of the day, you have to trust the people that you deal with.
And to be sure that we are producing the correct quality, we use RamBase. RamBase is, for us, very important.
I think having RamBase will help to support our business in terms of the speed at which we can communicate internally, the quality of information that we have, and the control that we'll have over what we do day to day.
We were looking for something that was future safe, web-based, easy to manage, and among the ones we were looking for, it was only RamBase fulfilling that.
Skal vi overleve som bedrift, så det viktig for oss å være tilpasningsdyktige til å endre komponenter og å tilby innovative produkter. For å klare dette, så vi avhengig av RamBase, som spiller oss gode og gir oss oppdatert informasjon.
At the end of the day, people buy from people. Even in the ERP market, it's about building relationships.
We have a partnership more than a supplier-customer relation with RamBase, which is really valuable, and we need that to be able to reach our targets.
Because of the type of clients that we have and the high level of quality that we want to impart into our product, it's important that we have a system that supports that ethos, and RamBase does that from the start.